Best drone camera.
Number 1.
Force One drone camera. The U-49WF FPV camera drone boasts altitude hold and a first-person view (FPV) screen with camera live video, so you can see exactly what the HD camera of your drone sees in real time. It also comes with an extra battery to help you fly for even longer before having to charge, and an outstanding 720p camera for clear HD pictures and live video. Add to that its impressively long flight time of 25 minutes with the extra battery, and you're looking at a great drone for beginners, or intermediate pilots, for that matter, at an inexpensive price.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Holy Stone drone camera. The Holy Stone HS440 drone proves that you do not have to drop hundreds of dollars for a great starter drone. It features a 1080p Wi-Fi camera system ensuring crisp pictures every time. The included gravity sensor, tap fly, and gesture control modes allow you to capture cinematic footage or even capture a selfie. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with the intelligent flight battery system. The rugged design of the HS440 and its altitude positioning system ensures a stable and safe flight experience. The ease of operation and the number of robust features make this the perfect drone for beginner drone pilots.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. DJI drone camera. DJI has done it again. The drone manufacturing juggernaut just released the Mavic Air 2. It is the first consumer drone to be equipped with AirSense, which is essentially ADS-B in tech that enables the drone to pick up on nearby aircraft. DJI has done an incredible job packing this new drone with a large array of features. The popular foldable design from the Mavic series is carried on in the new Mavic Air 2, making it one of the highest tech portable drones on the market. With a 34-minute flight time, 48-megapixel camera, and an 8K hyperlapse feature, it will be difficult to find a comparable aircraft in this size and price range. The Mavic Air 2 is going to be the drone to beat for the serious hobbyist and content creators, and even for new professional pilots looking to get into the industry with an affordable drone.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Autel Robotics drone camera. With a price point starting just under $1,500, the newly released Autel Evo 2 series is a serious contender in the increasingly competitive foldable drone segment. The Autel Evo 2 drones pack some serious hardware under their bright orange shells. With 40 minutes of flight time, it also has the longest flight time of any prosumer drone offered on the market. A unique feature with the Evo 2 is the ability to change out the gimbal payload. It can be equipped with an 8K sensor, 6K Pro sensor, or a dual sensor that combines an 8K sensor with a thermal sensor. The ability to alternate sensors is unheard of in the consumer/prosumer drone market. With 12 advanced omnidirectional computer vision sensors, the drone can easily navigate the most challenging environments while focusing on the task.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5.
DJI Drone Camera. DJI has done it again. The drone manufacturing juggernaut just released the Mavic Air 2. It is the first consumer drone to be equipped with AirSense, which is essentially ADS-B tech that enables the drone to pick up on nearby aircraft. DJI has done an incredible job packing this new drone with a large array of features.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.